Hello, health enthusiasts. Leo M here from Health Spiffy, your ultimate destination for all things wellness. Today, we're diving into a unique and intriguing topic that you might not have considered before. Nose yoga. Yes, you heard it right. We're going to explore exercises that not only promote a healthier nose but also contribute to a sculpted and beautiful appearance. So, get ready to embark on a journey of self-care for that spiffy and radiant nose of yours. Alright, let's jump into the fascinating world of nose yoga. But before you imagine yourself in a complex yoga pose with your nose touching your toes, let me assure you, nose yoga is simple, effective, and, most importantly, fun. Segment 1. The basics of nose yoga. Let's start with the basics. Nose yoga isn't about contorting your nose into unnatural shapes. It's about exercising the muscles around your nose to enhance its overall appearance. Think of it as a workout routine for your facial muscles, promoting blood circulation and toning the nose area. Segment 2. The bunny nose wiggles. Our first exercise is what I like to call the bunny nose wiggles. It's simple. Scrunch up your nose as if you're a cute bunny, and then wiggle it side to side. This exercise engages the muscles on the sides of your nose, promoting flexibility and strengthening those adorable bunny lines. Segment 3. The flaring nostrils workout. Next up, we've got the flaring nostrils workout. Channel your inner dragon, minus the fire, of course, and flare your nostrils wide. Hold for a few seconds, then relax. This exercise targets the muscles around your nostrils, contributing to a more sculpted appearance. Segment 4. The nose shaper breath technique. Now, let's incorporate some mindful breathing with the nose shaper breath technique. Inhale deeply through your nose, imagining you're expanding and shaping your nose with each breath. Exhale slowly. This exercise not only promotes relaxation but also helps in defining the contours of your nose. Segment 5. The upward nose lift. Our next exercise is the upward nose lift. Gently place your index finger under the tip of your nose and apply slight upward pressure. Simultaneously, try to push your nose downward against the resistance of your finger. This exercise targets the nasal bridge, helping to lift and shape the nose. Segment 6. The circular nasal massage. Give your nose some love with the circular nasal massage. Using your fingertips, gently massage the sides of your nose in a circular motion. This not only feels fantastic but also stimulates blood flow, contributing to a healthy and vibrant complexion. Segment 7. Nose yoga for nasal breathing. Let's not forget the functional aspect of our nose, breathing. Incorporate some nose yoga into your breathing routine. Practice deep, slow breaths through your nose, expanding your lungs fully. This helps strengthen the respiratory muscles and keeps your nasal passages clear. Segment 8. The relaxing nose pose. Wrap up your nose yoga routine with the relaxing nose pose. Simply close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose, and exhale slowly. Focus on releasing any tension around your nose and allow a sense of calm to wash over you. And there you have it. A nose-tailored yoga routine for a sculpted and beautiful nose. Incorporate these exercises into your daily routine, and watch as your nose radiates a healthy and vibrant glow. If you enjoyed this journey into nose yoga, hit that subscribe button for more unique wellness tips. Until next time, stay spiffy and keep shining.